Hello, friend. This is Amit. You have a question in which I have the transfer function of any particular block diagram. So, in this question, I have to calculate the output equation of that particular block diagram. The transfer function I am having is s plus 1 in the numerator, x square plus 5x square plus 8s plus 4 is the denominator. So, let's calculate the output equation for this transfer function. So for that we have to calculate the input so that we can relate to the output. So here the first thing that we have to do is take the partial fraction of this complete whole transfer function, partial fraction. So for that we have to solve this equation, which is this. So I have one more add-on for you people. So to solve this equation, which is in the term of cubic polynomial, so how you can solve this polynomial? Basically, sometimes we know how to solve any question, but some polynomial equation is hinder our the way we are doing that question. So I'm giving a trick to solve this the cubic equation. So to solve this cubic equation, you can apply this trick, which is something like that. If we are having x cube plus 5x square plus 8x plus 4, so factorize this term, which come out to be 1 and 4. So that give us 5, which we can relate to this term. Okay, and so we can again factorize this as 2 and 2. Now what we have is this equation and this equation, so all the equation make this equation 5. Okay, so let us solve this question. So this equation is basically x4. Okay, so this polynomials break into s plus 2 whole square plus x plus 1 complete. This is the breakdown of this polynomial we have. So again we have to calculate the partial fraction of this transfer function. So for that we can calculate this as we are having this s plus 1 and s plus 2 whole square. The transfer function becomes something like that. It's x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus c x plus 2 square. Okay. Now when we solve this equation, we get the value of a equal to the solution that we get after solving the equation. A equal to b, a equal to -1, b equal to -2, and c equal to minus c equal to 2. This is the solution that we get after solving this equation, which we can directly put in the equation so that we get the input, which we are going to directly put in the equation, and it becomes -2 plus c equal to 2 minus become x plus 2 whole square. Clear? Now we are having it's a x1, it's become x2, and this one become x3. So we are now we are having the our equation in the so that we can relate this transfer function with the input equation. And as we know, the transfer function is something like that. Okay, right? Transfer function of an equation. So this one become x1, x2, and x3, which we can solve. Okay, so it's x1, x2. Now the row column, that's output become, and we are having three equation, three element, which we can note down here. And now we are having our solution of transfer function, which is here given, and this is our output equation. I hope you get the answer. Thank you for being with me.